Update on the 124th Mark 7. Basically got the whole front end all sanded smooth. Got a few little areas I need to do a couple passes of sanding with. And I did lose some panel lines, which is not a problem. I'll just go back in and rescribe them. But that was a chore. I did get the lasers in. I got them pinned, glued in, and they're good and sturdy. Got the fins on. There's a gap here on both sides, and I'm not going to use red putty. I went with tulip. Filled in the gap. I'm going to do probably one more pass and smooth it all out, and once I shoot some primer on it, it'll be good to go. The bottom, the intake, got that all smooth and taken care of. I will have to add some ribs on the inside, which I sanded off when I got the piece on. And I'm working on the wing part here, blending that to the hole. That side's almost done. And then once I get a shot of primer on, I will work my way up to the back. And the only parts that I got to add is the figure canopy and back on the engine parts. Something like that. That's pretty much it. And once I get that, some of the putty marks and smoothed out, shoot some cheap primer on it, so I can have paint at least stick to it. And for the Mark 7, I used Tamiya Haze Gray. I think that is the best base coat for the Mark 7. And plus, when you weather it and everything, it'll really look like from the show. Well, that's my update for the day. Hopefully in a few days I'll have everything sanded, primered, and maybe a base coat on it. It's always sand and repeat. Sand and repeat is the motto of this kit. But it turns out to be a nice model when you get done.